Hello and welcome, and yeah, I'm a bit pained today. I kind of fell off my bike. This is me cycling along, and there's a little rampy bit here. It's pretty steep, not that steep, that's an exaggeration. And I went, whoa, straight into the floor on the other side, a bit higher up. Okay, that's a bit of a bad sketch, but my face was here, my bike was over here, and I went out really loudly and nearly cried, but I didn't. Exclamation mark for pain. So, we're here to do maths, not to talk about me flying off a bicycle. Okay then, so let's have a look then. Our triangle, let's always draw triangle, magical triangle. I always make it equilateral because I'm cool like that. A, B, C. Then we write down AB is 5 root 2. This is 8 here. 8 centimeters. I don't know how they draw that exact amount in real life because root 2 is a bit of a weird number to draw. And then you'd get your angle B here is 60 degrees. And then they ask for the area of this triangle, and you'd say, heck, I could draw a to scale diagram, and I would laugh at you. I'd laugh in your face for about 5 minutes. You'd look at me funny, and I would say, no, silly, this is where power of trigonometry comes in. So this, I'm not going to bother try and explain the magicness of this, because I spent 20 minutes in my exam trying to derive it and didn't get there. So if you remember one thing, I will highlight in purple just to make it clear that you should learn this. If you learn this, you will, I don't know, you could become the next Bill Gates. You know, that's how good you'll be. Remember this and you will succeed. Okay, so let me apply it here. So this is our A one side, another side, and C is for our angle. Okay then. So then let's have a look. So it'd be half times A. I don't care which A is. Then 5 root 2, and then the angle, which is not involved in any of the sides. Poor thing. Poor thing. I should call this little A, little B, little C, capital C. But I didn't times, clearly, sine of 60. And from your special triangle knowledge, which I hope your teacher has taught, but if not, here it goes. Here is a triangle. It is equilateral. This is 60. This is also 60. This is also 60. They're all the same angles. This side is 2. This side is 2. This side is 2. I will say, heck, you know what, this triangle, I'm going to share it with my best friend. Snap straight down the middle. Okay, that's a bad line. So then you'd say, heck, why would you do that? I say, for the sake of maths. So this is 60 degrees still. This is outside. This, as you'll know, is half of 60. So we got straight through the middle bit. And that would be 30 degrees. This would still be 2. This would be 1. And you would say, hey, what's this? Let my friend Pythagoras help. Cool guy. Kind of knew him. Oh, what am I on about? I forgot his formulae. Everyone knows this off by heart by now. And this is how hypotenuse. We move over on the sides we don't know, so it just becomes a case where it's 4 minus 1 equals our x side squared, and everyone knows that it's 3 equals x squared. So root 3 equals x, and then you just say root 3 here. And then you say, heck, sine, so katoa, so, if I like that, opposite over hypotenuse, so root 3 over 2. And you'd go down and you'd say, heck, that's half times 8 times 5 root 2 times root 3 over 2. Scroll down a little bit more. Say that's the same thing as 8 times these two numbers. They cancel down into 10. Oh no, that doesn't work. Okay, I'll be quiet now. I don't know, I've been smoking. Okay, never mind. Disregard what I said. Just plug it into your calculator and you'll get 10 root 6. There we go. You could have cancelled it down, but my cancelling down skills today aren't the best. If we go back to our initial question, kind of knock on the head from my bicycle crash. Initial question, length of AC. And you will sit there stumped for a bit, and then you'll say, heck, you know, I know this. I got this. And then you remember that you have the cosine rule in your book, and it will state this. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2b No, AB. No, BC. Okay, BC clear. Sine of our opposite angle, in this case, A. Big A, super A. So you plug in your numbers again, and you'll just find it's A squared equals 64 plus 50 minus 16 times 5 root 5 times, I just did the times A here quicker, times root 3 over 2 again, and then this all just cancels down into, you guys do algebra well, 7.58. There you go, done. Question completed. Maybe not the best I could have explained it, but I don't see you doing it. If you want to do any better, or if you have any constructive criticism, please ask, and hopefully that helped. And let's just look at the mark scheme now, see what they have to say, and oh, here we go. Okay, yep, okay, I'm scrolling way too fast. Okay, there we go. Take your time, get there, safe and sound. Okay then, they cancelled it down better than I did. I feel embarrassed, but I got this. I got it there. Okay, and then use your mathematical skills here. And then ta-da. Done. You can go home a free man, I guess. And ta-da. Get 6 marks. Whoa, that's a lot of marks. Each step is worth something, I guess. And yeah, completion.